Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set this paper size business card 55 by 91 mm. You can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So follow some my few steps. So first you need to click on here page layout. Now click on size. Now scroll down and you need to find this business card 55 by 91 mm. So if you find just click on it and you can very easily set it. So this way you can very easily set this paper size. If you not find here, so you can try the more paper size, and here paper size just select find and select it and click on OK. So very simple and easy way to set it. So thanks for watching this video.